Welcome to Kansas City, Missouri, where homeowners take pride in their beautiful properties. But clogged gutters can lead to water damage, foundation issues, and even unwanted pests. That's where our gutter leaf guards come in. With years of experience in gutter protection, we offer solutions designed to keep your gutters clean and working efficiently all year long. Our gutter leaf guards prevent clogs, leaks, and expensive repairs, so you can save time, money, and avoid the hassle of constant gutter maintenance. In Kansas City, Missouri, many homes face gutter-related problems every year. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter leaf guards effectively keep debris out, ensuring water flows freely and safely away from your home. This not only protects your property from water damage, but also boosts its curb appeal and overall value. Ready to protect your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https:/thegutterguys.llc. The Gutter Guys, your reliable partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and experience the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.